For me, the highlight was that when you talk with the farmer groups that we were working with, they started to believe in agriculture again. They were giving up. They are really smallholder farmers. It was hard for them to get things to work and to get sufficient livelihood out of the farm. So just to maintain themselves and get the daily needs, they were often going to the local markets. But through the project, a lot of the things that they used to buy in the markets, they could now produce with themselves, with kitchen gardens. The whole project starts with asking each of the families who is in the project, what are your, and the whole family, what are your desire, what is your aspiration for the coming years? Where would you like to see yourself in the future? And that gives them a goal, and then it's about how do you get there? And that is a joint journey where the extension advisor and the farmers go hand in hand, and the farmers work in groups and help each other and do peer learning. And we especially talked with a young man, and he said, I was ready to do like most of the young people in my village, go to Kampala and hustle my way through, because I didn't see any future in the rural areas. But through the project, I saw that there were small business opportunities, and then I started looking at what are these business opportunities. They were actually better than what I could do hustling in city, and all the negative things of moving to the city and trying to in a very tough competition with all the other young men trying to find a livelihood there, it is much better and much more secure for me to actually develop agribusiness in the local community.